Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm back with a part 10 video for building a price predictor project. And throughout the last part videos I show you how can you build, and I show you almost everything, but in today's video what I want to show you is overall explanation video for the project. And then also I might be going to build something in that project, and then also we can see how it's going to happen in today's video. So I hope throughout those part videos you learn something, and I hope that helps you. But in today's video I'm going to explain it overall, and without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm back. As you can see here, we build our project here, and let me explain it first, what we did in this project overall, and just to be clear. And before we start our project, we have to have the environment, and you can create the environment. If you want to follow up my video, I make a video to how to create a virtual environment. Basically all you have to do is you are going to go to your terminal window, and then you are going to pass some command list to create the Python terminal, to create to create the Python virtual environment to you. So that's all you have to do, and you can also install some dependency by using pip. And also if you want to install inside of the Jupyter notebook, you can use this symbol and you can download it. And for this project we need these four libraries. So we just downloaded and we just imported it here. And then here basically in machine learning, the first thing you have to do is preparing your data and make sure the data is ready to train. So that's all we just did here. We just loaded our data here, and we just see some data, how the data looks like. And then as here to change our this is the process to prepare our data. So this is one of the process to just change the strings value to number, and this is the process we use. If you use some other libraries, you can just change it by using some syntax, and you can do that. But we just do that by some many process, but it still works. So we fine with that for this project. So and then here we change our data, we change our strings data to number, and we see our column. And after that we also see how the data is related to our, how the feature data is related to the label data. I mean the feature data is related to the target data. And to see that we just plotted here, and we work with a regression model, so this seems like is not a good thing to use those other features instead of the area, so we only use the area for this one. So we finished up preparing our data by splitting our data into test, train, and test and train data, and from this to above we're going to be the data preparation, and that's the hard part when we come to machine learning engineering in my personal personal expectation, or just think that's what I expect the thing that I assume to be okay. But here and then after that we choose our algorithm for our model, and this is just only one just a small a simple algorithm just we use, but it is a basic one. We use linear regression just to fit the straight line, and this is a process for training our data, and we train our model here after we specify the algorithm we used, and here we just predicting, and this is seeing how the model is performance, and here also we just seeing the performance of our project prediction, and then also this is also for this one. This going to help us to make a to plot this straight line, and after that we also again predict our data for every single test data, and this is predicting values looks like, and then we scored our loss by using R2 score, and I explained this also in the last part video, and we see our loss, and it is 0.25 in just based on the algorithm we used. I think this is not bad. We just only use a simple one, so we almost got a good model. So, and that's what looks like our project overall. And then also one thing to know that this is not the process we use. Based on this loss, we have to go back and we have to adjust something in our project, but in our case we don't have to do that because we only deal with one simple algorithm, so we just going to skip that. But if I was working with another algorithm or some complex project, am I going to do that? But in today's video I'm not going to do that. It's because we cannot do better by just only using a linear regression model. But if you are working with a real world use case of application or whatever, you have to use with another algorithm to see how your model is working in each model and choosing the best one. But for now it is a beginning for our project. So we are going to use another algorithm, and when we do that, I'll going to also explain those algorithm, but we can change another algorithm, and we can experiment with those algorithms. Yeah, so but for today's video, that's all I got for you. I hope you learn something new, or something you are knowing, that I give you some reminder or whatever. But I hope this videos give you some good thing. And this is our project, it looks like, and this is the last part video for this project. And if you want, you can also use another data type, and you can work you can see the data, and you can choose if your data is looks like take two. Let's say if you are also have let's say the width and the height of the data, the house, maybe if you got that data set, you can work for with that also. Maybe if that affects the price, and the more feature you got, the more closer to be for the real data. So also keep in mind that. So that's all I got for you in today's video. I hope I see you in the next project video. I hope to see you there. Goodbye.